What is Anya's problem? The big game? It's time for the big football game. But Anya's got a problem.
I haven't got my football boots. I can't play.
But Anya is a great player.
We can't play now.
The teacher has got an idea.
Lucy, have you got your football boots and your football shirt?
Yes, I have. They're in my sports bag.
Lucy, you can play in the team.
I'm no good.
Please, Lucy.
Okay.
The team has got 5 players. It's time to play.
You can do it, Lucy. Thanks.
Go on, Lucy.
Oh no.
After the game,
Well done, Lucy.
But we're not the winners. They're the winners.
That's okay. We're a team.
Thanks, Lucy.